Today we're going to be learning a right hand strumming technique known as palm muting. And as usual, if you have any questions about the technique, please feel free to reach out to us and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, let's jump right in. So what is the palm mute technique? Well, it's basically using the palm of your hand to dampen the strings like this. So instead of an open strum, it sounds like this. So the strings can still be heard, but they don't sustain as long as a regular strum. The palm mute is also warmer in tone, and this technique can be used in the quieter sections of a song. You can also use this technique to give you a rhythmic bounce to your song. So for example, you can just see, it gives a good bounce to it. So let's check out the technique for this palm mute. So the part of your palm that should be touching the strings is this part over here. So it's right on the outside of your palm. And you place it right near the saddle. So right slightly in front of the saddle is where you want to place your palm. It should sound like this. And you don't want to place your palm too high up, because if you put your palm too high up, it will mute the strings. You don't want this, you want this. So it's just a small adjustment. If you do this technique and there's no sound coming out from your guitar, it's probably because your palm is too far in front. You just want to put it right here, right in front of the saddle. And also with the pressure that you're putting down on the strings, it's not too much pressure. It's just resting your hand on the strings, and that's pretty much it. And then for the strum, you just want to strum as per normal. It's all on the wrist, you see. Now let's check out a different angle for this technique.